Very good morning, students. Students, we are studying chapter third, right? And in this video, we understand comparison between first past, the post system, and proportional systems of elections, right? First, we understand what is the meaning of first past, post systems. The country is divided into small geographical unit, is called constituency or the districts. Every constituency elect one representative. Vote Voter vote for candidate. In these systems, the party may get more seats than votes in this legislature. Candidate who wins the election may not get majorities. Example, UK and India. The PR system is a large geographical area are demarcated as constituency. The entire country may be a single constituency. More than one representative may be elected from one constituency. Voter votes for the party. Every party gets seat in the legislature in proportion to the percentage of vote that it gets. The candidate who wins the election get majority of vote. Example, Israel and Netherlands also. Right? And student, we understand why did India adopt the first past, the post systems. The reason for the popularity and success of first past post system is its simplicity. The entire election system is extremely simple to understand even for common voters who may have no specialized knowledge about the politics and election. A clear choice representations to the voters at the time of elections. Voters have to simply endorse a candidate or a party while voting. Depending on the nature of actual politics, voter may either give greater importance to the party or to the candidate or balance the two. The first past, the post systems offer voter a choice not simply between party but specific candidates. In constituency-based system like the first past post systems, the voter know who their own representative is and can hold him or her accountable. Why not PR system in India? Because PR system based election may not be suitable for giving a stable government in parliamentary system. This system requires that executive has a majority in the legislature. The PR system may not produce a clear majority because seat in the legislature would be divided on the basis of share of the vote. In a diverse country like India, a PR system would be encouraged and each country to form its own nationwide party. So students, we understand in this video comparison of first past, the post system and the proportional systems, right? Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day ahead. Like it, subscribe it.